In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down question with Surveymonkey. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, allowing you to enhance your surveys with dynamic question types effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Surveymonkey website. If you're not familiar, Surveymonkey is a powerful tool for creating and distributing surveys, letting you gather feedback quickly and efficiently. Once you are on the homepage, look for the login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to log in. If you prefer, you can choose to log in with your Google account for convenience. You should then see a prompt to select your Google account if you haven't logged in already. Simply choose the account associated with your Surveymonkey, or if you're new to the platform, follow the prompts to create a new account. Now you'll find yourself on the Surveymonkey dashboard. This is where you have access to all your surveys and you can start building new ones. Look for a button or link that says Create, where you'll want to select Survey and then Design. This opens up the survey creation interface. Once you're in, you'll notice various options for building your survey. Find and click on the Build section. This area is where you can add questions and other elements to your survey. To add a drop-down question, look for the question types available and choose drop-down from the options. Clicking on this will add a drop-down question to your survey. Next, you'll be asked to enter your question. This is the main text that respondents will see and need to answer. Take a moment to make sure your question is clear and concise to get the best responses. After setting your question, you'll need to add the answer choices that will appear in the drop-down menu. Enter each possible answer choice. You can have as many or as few as you need, depending on the question you're asking. Once you're satisfied with your question and answer choices, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save button on the survey building interface. This ensures that all the changes you've made are securely stored in your survey. With that, you've successfully created a drop-down question in Surveymonkey. This versatile option allows your survey respondents to select from a list of predefined answers, keeping your data clean and easy to analyze. Surveymonkey's user-friendly interface makes survey creation a breeze, and with tools like the drop-down question at your disposal, you can gather valuable insights quickly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy surveying.